you're interested in making money online as an affiliate marketer or growing a YouTube channel, stay tuned. Hi and welcome music video. I'm going to leave a link below to that video so you can see the finished product. But what I created was a family Christmas listening video. So why this would be of interest to you is that this is something that you don't have to apply to pretty much any genre, any kind of music. What I do is and actually just step by step video that you show you step by step. So what the advantage of doing this, and there's several different parts in there that I think you should know about, especially the keywords, because these are going to help just about anybody with a website or a YouTube channel. In my opinion, music is a tough niche. The point is that it's still a really, really tough niche. So it was a bear. So I'm going to share with you some secret weapons that I had to pull out. I mean, I just didn't have any choice because I was banging my head against the wall trying to come up with some keywords. And if you're not familiar with keywords, or if you're not aware of how important, how valuable, how necessary that it is that you come up with the right keywords, then your websites or your YouTube channel is just going to sit there and kind of collect dust. And this is what I think is happening with a lot of internet marketers as well as a lot of YouTubers. They're creating some great content, some great videos, some great websites, and they're just sitting there and they're kind of dying because they're not getting any visitors, they're not getting any viewers. And much of that has to do with your keywords, especially on YouTube. You need to have the right visitors, and you want to have keywords that have a reasonable search, but very little competition. And when you're into gaming, marketing, internet marketing, YouTube growth, most any of these bigger niches, weight loss, these are all fantastic niches. They're the best in the world, but they also have the highest competition. I've taken us to a site called freemusicpublicdomain.com. I'll leave a link below, and there's plenty of free music sites. There's plenty of sites where you can get free music. This is royalty-free music, public domain, and simply choose the kind of music that you want. I'm going to go for Christmas music, and you can just choose the music that you want. Click download here, of course, to download the music. And you will need to click on Creative Commons and get your Creative Commons license. And we're at one of my favorite sites as far as getting images, photos, illustrations, vectors, and also videos. So on the images, this is images. I'm going to put in Christmas, and I'm going to, let's say I want 10 images. Open in a new tab, open in a new tab, open in a new tab, and so on. I'm going to do that times 10. I'm going to download the image. Download. Go to the next one. Then I'm going to go to videos. Type in Christmas or Xmas. And by the way, the top row on the images and on the videos, these are not for free, but anything below that are for free. And there is no attribution required. And again, I'm going to do the same. Open a new tab, open a new tab, and so on. And I might do... in this case, I'm going to probably do about 24 of these videos. And the reason is these videos average about 30 seconds. And I've got about 12 minutes of audio. Open new tab, open new tab, open new tab, and so on 24 times. I might watch a little bit of the video just to see if I like it. And actually, I use this video and I sped it up a little bit. Assuming I like it, I'm going to download it. Go to the next video. Same thing. Do that 24 times. And then when I have all these files, then I'm going to go to my editor. I'm going to add media files. And then I'm just going to go right down the line. Just click, 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 and so on. 24 videos, 10 images, and 3 or 4 audio. Okay, we've got the video, we've got the audio. Our movie's ready, right? No. We still have more to do. I'm going to show you a couple of tips on the editor as far as what I did for audio and for video. The main thing that I want to get to next is the keywords. And this is where I had to bring out my secret weapon. My secret weapon is actually a a website called Word Hippo, and I'm going to leave a link below to that website. But it's a website that I go to on occasion when I'm stumped, you might say, when I kind of run into a stone wall on keywords. Then I'll go to Word Hippo, and what I'm essentially looking for are synonyms, and it's just a great site to help me come up with synonyms. There's one other tool that I use, and it's called Keyword Sheeter. I'll leave a link below to that. And let me show you how I overcame, you might say, this keyword obstacle. And in my opinion, I think this is really this is part of the reason why I made this video, because this is the stuff that you and I typically do not see. We see how to, we see all the successes. Well, I want to show you a little bit of the failure and how I turn that failure into success, you might say, as far as the keywords. Because if I hadn't done this, I can promise you I probably wouldn't be getting any views, or very, very few. What you're going to see is going to speak for itself. What you're going to see next is something that is going to apply to virtually anything that you do online, whether it's a website or YouTube. In my opinion, this is the best part of this video, in that I think it's going to help most aspiring internet marketers and most aspiring YouTubers. It's going to help you the most with those tough keywords. And okay, I've taken us to YouTube, and this is what you're seeing here is a tool called TubeBuddy, and it's the Keyword Explorer. I'm going to show you how to use this and so on. But this is where I ended up with fairly good keywords. Easy family Christmas listening, family Christmas listening, family Xmas listening, easy family Xmas listening, easy family Christmas sound. Okay, but how I got to listening and sound is what I want to share with you first. So I'm going to take you to a site called Word Hippo, wordhippo.com. What I wanted was another word for song. Song is a musical composition and so on. So I typed in song, music. See, this gives you the contexts, noise, listening. So this is what brought me to the word listening. So this is simply helping me to come up with other words that I can use instead of song or music. Okay, and I came up with a couple of words, specifically listening and sound. So going back to this, you can see easy family Christmas sound, fair, family Christmas listening video. Now you can see I'm actually into the good range, family Christmas listening video, and then I'll also go with family Xmas listening video. I think I'll score a little higher with this one. I get 52. So Christmas is, I believe, 59, and Xmas is 52. Weighted is available on the paid version. The unweighted version is 62. It's even a little bit better. So this unweighted is like versus all channels. Weighted is my specific channel. What I want to share with you is like Christmas songs, okay? Christmas songs, and you're going to watch what happens here. Poor. Christmas music. Poor. Christmas music 2020. And again, poor. I mean, this is, when it's 9, it's poor. It's pretty sad. So what I wanted to share with you is that this is a really tough niche. The strength is terrible. Okay, the competition, there's 3.37 million. There's excellent search, but an awful lot of competition. So these are very poor choices for keywords. Very tough keywords. Great search volume, but everybody in the world has got a video. 362 million videos. Let me take you to Keyword Sheeter, because this is a tool that really helps me as well. Therefore, I think it'll help you. And I put in Christmas music, or I could put in Christmas songs, and I'll stop cheating. Christmas music YouTube, Christmas music online free, fair, and again, Christmas music online free, 56. Christmas music online free, and listen to Christmas music online free. So that's fair, and this is actually good, I believe, yes. So that is how I use a combination of tools in order to overcome an obstacle, you might say. Now, the next thing I want to share with you is transitions. I've added a few Christmas images, and the reason why I did that is I want to share with you on the transition. And this is a Movavi video editor business. This is the business version. The transition wizard, I believe that most editors have this. I'm going to use random transitions, so in other words, it'll be a different transition for each transition, and I'm going to enable pan and zoom effect, and I'll show you how that works out. We'll pan and zoom on each of the images. I'm going to click OK. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see that there, see how it's moving see what it's doing to these images without me having to do that. It's moving the images, it's changing the images, okay? I'm not doing any of that. It's doing it for me automatically. The reason why I do this, part of the reason is it's called the Ken-Burns effect. When you have an image, a static image is not a good choice. An image that is moving around is the choice. So when stuff like this happens, the image is moving, this is what people want. This is going to enhance your video. Now, the other thing that I did on the audio is that I went to equalizer, and typically on your audio it's flat, and I went to music enhancement, and it really does enhance the music. So that is the creation of my video. Now you're going to find that's how I created this music video, this Christmas music video. And again, just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed, my goodness, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you're going to be notified when these videos are published. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. May I wish you happy holidays. Thank you so much, and allow me to wish you much success.